Hello, garden lovers! Welcome back to Kira Style Garden. Have you ever looked at your outdoor space and felt like it was missing that special spark? Today, we are turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. I am showing you 13 magical, handcrafted projects using simple, upcycled materials that will breathe life and personality into your summer sanctuary. Let us get creative. Listen to that. It is the sound of summer dancing in the breeze. These charming wind chimes started as simple tin cans, but with a splash of vibrant teal and sunny orange, they have become the heartbeat of the garden. Look at how those glass beads catch the light as they sway ever so gently. It is amazing how something so ordinary can create such a peaceful, rhythmic melody that welcomes everyone who enters your little green sanctuary. Ever wonder what to do with all those colorful bottle caps? Well, look at this. We have gathered them to create a mosaic of flowers that will never, ever wilt. Each petal tells a story of a refreshed afternoon, now standing tall on slender iron stems. They add such a playful, handcrafted touch to the lawn. It is a brilliant way to recycle while making sure your garden stays bright and cheerful even between the blooming seasons. There is something so deeply satisfying about growing your own herbs, especially when they look this beautiful. This rustic palette, painted in a soft, modern sage, transforms a plain wall into a living, breathing pantry. Can you smell the fresh basil and rosemary? The way the sunlight hits those terracotta pots makes the whole corner feel warm and inviting. It is smart, it is sustainable, and it truly brings the kitchen right into the heart of nature. Every step along this path feels like a tiny adventure. These smooth river stones have been transformed into ultra-realistic ladybugs and honeybees, hiding perfectly among the white pebbles. It is a small detail, but it brings so much joy and whimsy to the garden. Children and guests alike will find themselves looking down and smiling at these little painted guardians. It is proof that magic often hides in the simplest of places, right beneath our feet. This is where the light comes to play. By upcycling old CDs into a shimmering mosaic, we have created a bird bath that looks like a fallen piece of the rainbow. Watch as the iridescent fragments reflect the summer sun, dancing across the water. It is not just a beautiful centerpiece for us to admire. It is a sparkling invitation for our feathered friends to stop by, cool off, and add their songs to our peaceful outdoor haven. Who knew that old silverware could look so elegant? These vintage forks and spoons have been artfully bent and polished until they shine like mirrors under the golden sun. Nestled among the flowers, they act as sophisticated little guardians, catching the light and adding a touch of unexpected silver to the greenery. It is a wonderful way to give a second life to forgotten treasures, proving that style can be found in the most common kitchen drawers. There is something so incredibly delicate about tea time in the trees. These vintage porcelain teacups, overflowing with lush succulents, add a touch of Victorian charm to the garden. Suspended by silver chains, they sway gently as if they are floating in mid-air. It is a dreamlike sight that makes you want to slow down and stay a while. Truly, it is the perfect blend of elegance and nature, making your outdoor space feel like a fairy tale. As the sun begins its slow descent, These copper-toned lanterns start to reveal their true beauty. The intricate laser-cut patterns cast soft, dancing shadows across the garden, creating an atmosphere that is both cozy and magical. Even in the bright daylight, their rich metallic texture stands out against the lush green grass. They are simple to make, yet they bring a sophisticated high-end glow to any patio or garden wall, making every evening feel special. This sculpture is all about balance and peace. We have taken sun-bleached driftwood and paired it with smooth, hand-painted Zen stones to create a focal point that feels grounded and artistic. Each stone, marked with a delicate white mandala, represents a moment of stillness in our busy lives. Placed on a garden table, it serves as a gentle reminder to breathe, relax, and appreciate the natural harmony that exists all around us in this beautiful space. Look at these blossoms. Would you believe they were once just plastic bottles? We have heat-shaped them into translucent, tropical flowers that glow with deep ambers and violets. Draped along the fence, this garland creates a continuous wave of color that never fades. It is a celebration of creativity and care for our planet. This vibrant display proves that with a little imagination, we can turn waste into a stunning, long-lasting tribute to the beauty of summer. Bold, modern, and completely transformed. This car tire, once destined for a landfill, is now a sophisticated charcoal gray planter with crisp, geometric carvings. The contrast between the rugged tire and the soft, exploding yellow marigolds is just breathtaking. It is a powerful statement piece that shows how industrial materials can be repurposed into high-end garden art. It is sturdy, stylish, and adds a magnificent architectural layer to the lush, manicured lawn of your dream garden. If you look closely among the petals, you might just spot a garden sprite. These whimsical little figures, crafted from antique silver spoons and glass marbles, bring a sense of hidden wonder to the flower beds. Their wire mesh wings seem ready to flutter at any moment. They are the tiny storytellers of the garden, adding a layer of playfulness that sparks the imagination. It is these small, handcrafted details that truly make a garden feel like home. This is pure kinetic magic. As the breeze picks up, these spinning discs turn the sunlight into a dazzling display of moving color and light. The reflective surfaces throw dancing patterns across the grass and the white wooden fence, making the entire garden feel alive and energetic. It is a mesmerizing sight that captures the restless energy of summer. It is a simple upcycling project that provides endless entertainment and a truly cinematic vibe for your outdoor space. It is truly amazing how a little imagination and some recycled materials can completely transform the vibe of your home. From shimmering mosaics to rustic planters, I hope these ideas inspired you to bring a touch of magic to your own green space. If you enjoyed this journey, please hit that like button, subscribe to Kira Style Garden for more inspiration, and tell me in the comments which craft was your favorite.